Hi, we are the UAV with Onboard Vehicle Classification Team, a multidisciplinary senior design team in the Kate Gleason College of Engineering. Our team consists of 3 electrical engineers, Trenton Goyette, Matt Tchaikovsky, and Sam Overchenko, 3 mechanical engineers, Ethan Littlefield, Nicole Sapesi, and Noah King, and 2 computer engineers, Ishan Ranjan and Andrew Leon. We are working with a professor on campus to design a semi-autonomous drone. The key goals of this project are to design and build a drone using off-the-shelf products and create an autonomous classification system to identify different vehicles in Gleason Circle. Our client is interested in a cost-effective solution that can be minimally altered for alternative uses, such as surveying, real estate, agriculture, and more. We are on track to deliver a final prototype that will be manually controlled from a ground station, which will automatically identify vehicles in Gleason Circle. Our team expects to have a working prototype capable of identifying 5 different types of vehicles: buses, cars, vans, pickup trucks, and motorcycles. Visit the project website link to see more details about this project. As you might expect, throughout the course of this project, we faced multiple challenges. The most significant challenge was creating an onboard system rather than a ground station for vehicle identification and classification. Building this system required our team to develop a drone that was both powerful and efficient, capable of carrying a large payload. Additionally, we needed to ensure that we maintained a resilient radio connection between the drone and the remote control, while ensuring the resilience of all other wireless telemetry. We would like to thank Dr. Sergei Lashevsky for the time and resources he provided for our team, as well as our advisor, Alan Dawson, for his guidance throughout the development process.